Can you make out what this is? How about now? In this short video, I'm breaking down a tram scene to show you different angles you can use to convey a story with your photos. I'm shooting in the beautiful city of Tbilisi, so stay tuned. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm in this beautiful square in Tbilisi and I'm going to use a sequence of shot which I will use to narrate this place, basically just using the photos. So I will also show you along the way in terms of how you can best utilize a sequence of shots and try to cover a place and also show the historic significance of that. So let's begin. Take a wide-angle shot to convey the larger scene and show where you are. This will give a sense of the place and take multiple wide-angle shots if needed. After I take a wide angle shot, I'm also going to take some close-up and medium shots, and we will put all these shots together, so we'll see if you can get a sense of this place. A medium shot shows a quintessential focus on your subject, in this case, the tram. For the final angle, use a close-up shot which can add a unique, different perspective to a story and highlight details of your subject. Like this gold lining, somehow showing a royal past, or maybe some bold colors which transports you immediately into a time when this tram was actively being used. And so that's about it. So this was a very short video and I wanted to illustrate how you can tell a story using a sequence of photos. So for this video, I'm using my daughter as my cameraman, and I hope you like this short video which with a lot of sequences of photos which kind of tells a story about this particular tram and also this square. And I will see you in another video. Till then, bye.